Hey there! Today I'm taking new Defender for a ride. I got invited for Defender experience in Poland and I'm going to the south part called Jura Krakowsko-Częstochowska. It's beautiful surroundings, beautiful forest, gravel roads, hills, perfect environment to test out these cars. We have 3 hours ride ahead, let's go! Lovely ride. It's just a small difference if you compare to classic Defender. It's a little quieter, but just in terms of recording talking head video while driving. Yeah, I had 3 hours ride, so it's perfect timing to do kind of an update, because the previous one I did more about 2024 and right now I would like to talk more about what's coming, what's going on right now, about travels, events and upcoming workshops. That's something new, and it will be also with new Defenders, and it will be in Greece. But let's start from the beginning. Right now I'm going for 2 days Defender experience in the south of Poland. Then I have 1 day for post-production, and we are heading to Germany to Frontrunner, and then from there we are going for the production in Denmark. 4 days on Romo, different cars to show the variety of rigs, for vans, for 4x4s. And what's next? I'm coming back from Denmark and preparing my cars for an event in Masurian Lake District. That will be event with really like easy track, spending time together with friends. There will be 10-15 cars, classic Defenders, L322, a lot of beautiful cars, and the whole idea is like spending time together, enjoying the nature and enjoying the ride. Then I'm coming back to Warsaw and flying to Spain. And that's really exciting. I got invited again to Puerto Lantrovero event. It's amazing community in Spain with, like, I would say hundreds of classic cars, classic series, Santanas, a lot of beautiful cars. So I'm so happy to be a part of it. This time it's 2 days event, and this time I'm going there by plane, and that's a surprise. I will have a car there, and I will show you in upcoming episode. Yeah, you can guess in the comment. You can guess in the comment what car it will be. And after Spain, that's something really exciting, because we are coming back to Greece. We will travel there with a new Defender, thanks to Land Rover Greece. We are organizing together with Dean from Overland and Explore adventure workshops, and you can join us. You can jump to our cars, or you can join with your car. You can find a link below the video with all the details, with agenda and what we are going to do there. But it's something really exciting, because I had that in my mind from such a long time, to do something together, to invite people for like 1-2 days adventure, to share the experience, to enjoy outdoor living together. So there will be a chance. It's second weekend of May. You can check it out in the description below. And what after Greece? After Greece we are coming back home again and preparing 110 for travels around Europe, but it's more locally for shows, for meetups. We are going to Germany, then to Italy, to Dolomites, and probably again to Denmark. But I don't have like detailed plans, so it deserves another update video and another new Defender ride to record talking head without so much noise. And for now, I'm enjoying the ride, and see you soon on track in the south of Poland. Just arrived, 3 hours went like this. I have to figure it out things here, organize my luggage, and I'm ready to roll. Probably that's the moment where I should talk about car, about the color, about the engine, how much it is, how reliable it is, or not. But it's not my way. I'm here to inspire, to share passion, to help you to do the first step, to start doing things and start doing adventures. It can be a weekend adventure with your family and friends, spending time together in the nature, traveling with these cars. It can be something bigger like 2 weeks of vacations, or it can be something huge like, I don't know, 1 year world trip or living on the road. Yeah, that's the feeling that you have when you have passion for cars, and car has something that inspires you, that drives you to do things, to spend more time traveling and exploring, enjoying the nature. And that's something really unique that Land Rovers have behind the brand. Years and years of traveling stories, people behind the brand. It's priceless. And to sum it up, I would say live life, enjoy it as much as you can, and see you in the next one, probably in the old classic Land Rover.